In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube channel art in Fotor. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can confidently design a banner that fits your channel's style. First, open your web browser and head to Fotor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so everything looks and works as expected. When you arrive, log in and choose the account you want to use. If you have multiple profiles or sign-in options, select the one you prefer. You don't need to share any personal details allowed, just sign in securely as you normally would. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the search bar. Type YouTube channel art, then press enter. This will take you, usually in a new tab, straight to a page dedicated to YouTube banner designs. You'll see a collection of professionally designed templates that you can use as a starting point, which is great for saving time and keeping your layout consistent. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Think about your channel's tone and niche. Are you aiming for bold and energetic, clean and minimalist, or something playful and colorful? Pay attention to readability, color contrast, and how your channel name will stand out. When you find a template that matches your brand, click it to open the editor. In the editor, you can edit everything. Replace placeholder text with your channel name, tagline, or posting schedule. Adjust fonts and sizes to match your style. If you have brand colors, apply them to the background, shapes, or text so everything feels cohesive. You can bring in your own images or logos for a personal touch. Just make sure they're high resolution so they look crisp on larger screens. As you customize, keep the YouTube safe area in mind. While the full canvas is wide, only the center region is guaranteed to be visible on all devices. Place your most important text and graphics in the middle so they won't get cut off on phones or TVs. Keep edges clean and avoid tiny details near the borders. Use alignment tools, spacing, and consistent typography to keep the design balanced. If something looks off, try simplifying. Fewer colors, fewer fonts, and stronger contrast can make a huge difference. When you're happy with the design right there in Fotor, you're done. You've selected a template, tailored it to your brand, and refined it for clarity. That's it. Your YouTube channel art is ready inside Fotor.